All right, let's do just a couple more. I am going to capture, I'm going to force a couple of new lines just to separate all of these runs. And this time what we're going to do is we are going to convert chars to ints. Let's see if we can convert chars. So I'm going to create a char array. We'll call it letters. We'll make it 10 in size. And then I am going to put some char values in there. Remember, chars have to be surrounded by single quotes. So I'm going to have some uppercase letters, some lowercase letters, and I'm even going to put a number in there. But because it is a char, it's going to be treated as a char. And then I'm going to see out some kind of a header information. Maybe I'll say character, and then we'll force a tab. And then, not a new line, we want to force a tab. And then we're going to see if we can print this out as ASCII, the ASCII code. We'll force a new line inside of there. Just to kind of separate it from everything that is going on, we'll put maybe 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'll force a tab in there. We'll do 10 more. And then we'll force a new line. And then we're going to print the character A, B, C, D, and we're going to print its ASCII value. I just wanted to run it to see if my two header lines, character to ASCII code, if my two header lines look okay. And then we are going to get it to print out not only my character value, but its ASCII interpretation or ASCII conversion. And we will do that in a for loop. So there are 10 of them, right? So I'm going to say less than 10. We'll increment our counter variable. I am going to need my opening and closing curly brace because I'm going to have more than one line, one instruction inside of here. So the first thing that I want to do is we want to print out the A, B, C, D. So we will output that first. I'm actually going to set the width to 5 so that I can set it within that frame. And then after that, we are going to see out letters, count, there we go, count, and then we will force a couple of new lines. Excuse me, we will force a couple of tabs. Now, set width is not happy. Can you tell me why set W or set width is not happy? That's because I'm going to have to pound include IO minute. IO minute, that's where set width is. So if I come back down here, set width should be now happy with me. So the second thing that I was going to print out was the ASCII value or the integer value for a capital A and for a capital B. Let me run the program and see if we're at least getting my letters array. All right, I am getting those upper and lowercase, but the second thing that we're going to print out is its ASCII value, and then we'll force a new line. So we're going to set the width on this one as well. We'll set this one to 5 as well. This time what we're going to be printing, what we need to do is cast the capital A into its ASCII value. ASCII is decimal, so we are actually going to cast a char value to an integer. And if you remember how to do that, we're going to do static underscore cast, and then inside of the chevrons, the data type that I want to cast it to, and then finally inside of the parentheses, the value that I am trying to cast to an int, and that would be letters count. And then we will force the new line here. Now let's see, since we're forcing the new line, let me run it and see if it is working. And there it is. So what I have now is a char character that I have static cast or cast to an integer value, and it is giving me the decimal ASCII code for capitals, lower cases, and numbers.